The prime factorizations of two numbers are shown below. The first number is a times b times b. The second number is b times c. Which expression represents a common factor of the two numbers? Now, they're not asking for the greatest common factor, they're just asking for a common factor. So when you're trying to find a common factor between two numbers and you're given the prime factorization, you circle all common factors in both. So I'm going to circle this group of b's. Notice there's no a's over here for me to circle. I could circle another group of b's. So what I have in common is I have not just one group of b's, but two groups of b's. So I have two potential answers here. A common factor is b. But also, my greatest common factor is what I get when I multiply these two circles. So b times b. And what they're looking for in this problem is the greatest common factor. Even though they didn't ask for it, they gave us the greatest common factor, which is going to be b, which is b times b. Lots of b's. Someone called the hive. Oh, like and subscribe, please.